If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin video update. Right, so Bitcoin is on the verge of actually moving up to nearly $23,291. So I was actually looking at the pattern yesterday. I told people on my channel, and by the way, do you know I do have a channel where I trade myself personally, and I tell people to trade as well. It's a private one for $10 per month. So basically that here we had an impulsive move to the upside, and we made this bear flag, sorry, not a bear flag but a bull flag, even though we're overbought. But it seems like Bitcoin is not in the interest of actually moving any lower, but instead you now have the chances to come up to $23,000. So if anyone really wishes to trade this, I think it's an amazing trade right now. So we don't want to lose $20,205 is not a good place to go below, and we need to see Bitcoin making a 9.9% move to the upside and move all the way up to 23,000. Now guys, if something like that happens, then we're really close to bottom out, because that's the only thing that is left. Right, that's a very big, huge green candle that if you're gonna go up to 23,000, you're automatically gonna start to push to break this bear flag, monthly bear flag. But we still need a monthly closing to understand if we're still going to actually close in this place, because everyone, I know, and I've been saying this for so many time now, that nobody knows if this is going to be your bottom or not. Okay, for some reason, if you have the previous all-time high, which is actually considering those wicks right there, if people are gonna if Bitcoin is gonna consider that this all-time high is gonna be a big level of support, and now you're bouncing off this support, then let me tell you one thing: bear flags are meaningless next to the support level. That's one thing I want to say, that bear flags are meaningless. So, and that's the reason why I've been saying it's really hard to say if Bitcoin is bottoming out or it's going to continue to $8,000. Now, to me personally, we still have this flag, right? It's a clear flag, and most of the flag that I showed you have played out. I mean, this one played out to the perfection. We were up at 45,000 and I was giving the calls for 25,000, and we actually played this. We have all videos, we have the whole journey together, and right now we have this another flag here that actually points $8,800. But there's a little bit of influence here, because the difference between this bear flag and this bear flag is that during this time there was no any other support right over these levels right here, so you would easily went down there. But for this bear flag right here next to it, there's a little bit of support, and that's the previous all-time high, which is actually a head scratching kind of a situation right now. And for me personally, we're gonna go step by step, as I always said before. Okay, I cannot still say you bottomed out, but what I can say is that on the 4-hour time frame, we still have 23,297 to come in, and the new week has already begun. So yeah, let's actually see if we're going to move up here, and if we move up to 26,000 and close above 26,000 with this month alone, then I think that's it. That's the bottom for Bitcoin, and we could start a nice bull run. And by the way, a lot of altcoins are breaking their downtrend. SLP just broke its downtrend for the very first time. I'm going to cover that video, so do watch the channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.